Okay, so we're at the Otways National Park, so we're going to go and check out the Triplet Falls. So it's about an hour return hike. So yeah, let's go have a look.
Triplet Falls has a series of 3 cascades, each with its own viewing platform, hence the name Triplet Falls. As you walk along the rainforest, you'll come across the remains of the Knott's sawmill. This was one of the most productive mills in the Otways and supplied timber to build houses for returned World War I servicemen.
Okay, whoops. So we just came back from the Triplet Falls and yeah, beautiful. So you've got like 3 levels. You've got like the first level, the middle level, and like sort of one around the corner, a bit of a 3rd level. But anyway, the middle level's the best, and yeah, it's just gorgeous. So so bring your camera and just sit on the seat there and just embrace the water just falling down along the rocks. Beautiful. Okay, bye.